In this video, I'm going to show you how to add announcement bar in Dawn theme in Shopify. So first we'll log into the Shopify account, then go to Online Store Themes, look for Dawn theme and click Customize. Then at the top left corner, look for announcement bar and click Add Announcement. Right here on the right, you'll see announcement bar settings, so you can add your own custom text. So let's delete the default one and add our own. Free shipping on orders over $100. Then let's change the color scheme. Let's use background 2, this one, and let's also add a link to the shipping policy page. And then once it's all done, click Save. And announcement bar has been added. In fact, right now it will redirect to the shipping policy page should anyone click on it. And if you're using a different Shopify theme, such as Debut, the idea is pretty much the same, but the settings are hidden under the header section. So you have to go to header and on the right, look for announcement bar setting and then click show announcement. And also in this particular theme, you have an option to show announcement bar on the home page only, which could be useful to some. And as before, just add your own text, add your link should it be necessary, and change the color scheme and then click Save. That's pretty much done. But I would like to make a note that if you are working with a different Shopify theme or third-party theme and they do not offer substantial configuration for the announcement bar, like you want to change a different font color or font size, in that case you might need to add your custom CSS code directly, and that's a bit of outside the scope of this video. So I hope you found the Shopify tip useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.